Hey guys, this is ScareBoy711. Welcome to the first episode of my Bukkit coding tutorials. Yes, so first thing that we're gonna be setting up today is our coding application, which is Eclipse, and our test directory, where we're gonna basically run everything in. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go into your favorite browser, search Eclipse, like this. It's going to take you to eclipse.com. You go to downloads. You can either do IDE or, you do IDE, download, it's going to say your thing, download for your thing, and then it's going to give you the download links. I'm actually going to cancel this download because it's a big file. It's going to take a while, we know, and depending your thing, you might need to download Java JDK, just so you know. So for that setup, you're gonna have that, and so for your testing environment, you're gonna want to create a new folder, and I'll call this YouTube tutorial, and in this YouTube tutorial here, and this is where you're gonna want to place your Bukkit.jar. So if you go to Bukkit, you can actually get it because of this DCMA, but because of this DCMA basically shutting it down. So we go back to Bukkit, and yeah, so that's fine. You can search them. There are plenty of Bukkits. I'm not going to show you how. Remember, it's me. But in this, if you're on a Mac, you're going to want to go into text edit, and you're going to want to go to File, New. I already have this open. Text edit. Sorry, it's on my other monitor. You're going to want to go to File. I'll show it here. You're going to be creating this file, New, Format, Make Plain Text, and then you're just going to want to copy this in. I'll have this in the description. Don't do this. This will crash your computer. You can do 500 megabytes, so that's half a gig. And you can name this Bukkit or craft Bukkit. I do it Minecraft. You guys don't need this. This doesn't matter for you guys. And then you're going to want to save this. So File, Save. Hit Start. You need to save it as .command always. And now you're going to want to save it in desktop, YouTube tutorial, save. So now it's going to be there. Start .command. Whoops, I messed that up. .command. Use .command. See? And now I have something from something else. So let me just open my other thing, and that's a custom spigot. Don't worry about that. Here's our Bukkit.jar. Paste it. You can't just double click this because it'll go horribly wrong. And now you want to open terminal and do chmod a plus x. Sorry, I haven't done this in a while. Drag this in. Okay, now you can execute it. And it's gonna launch itself up. You can see it launched the logs, and all these things have just been created. You're gonna be overwhelmed because you're like, oh my god. Yep, this is running and it's good. See if you do PL, plugins, TP, help, tab, yes. Here's all the possibilities. So we're just gonna close that. And now we're gonna want to open Eclipse. This is the program you downloaded before. It's gonna look slightly different. Well, let me just do some things that it looks the same as yours. And so, YouTube tutorial / coding. And now it's going to start up. So this is what it's going to look like to you. Well, sort of. So you're gonna wanna it's gonna ask you where you want to create your workspace, and you're gonna go into your tip tutorial and make a coding thing like this, and this is what you want. You want this, so you can just get out of the welcome, and then you have this, but you want to go to that. And here is basically your thing. So this is where we're gonna call it for the first episode of this series. Thank you very much for watching. I have been SkierBoy711, and see you in the next one. Bye.